Step into the future of compact performance with a small form factor powerhouse built around the cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 7270K and the next-gen NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T. This Mini ITX build is designed for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts who demand uncompromising power in a sleek, space-saving design, delivering desktop-class performance in a chassis that fits almost anywhere. Next general processing power at the heart of this beast lies the Intel Core Ultra 7270K. A 24-core hybrid processor, 8 performance plus 16 efficiency cores, engineered with 3 nanometers architecture, with boost clocks reaching up to 5.5 GHz and support for ultra-fast DDR5 memory. It offers exceptional multi-threaded performance and strong gaming capabilities. Tech Spot 1, whether you're gaming at high refresh rates, streaming, or rendering complex 3D scenes. This CPU delivers blazing responsiveness and efficiency. Its AI acceleration engine, NPU, also unlocks next-generation workflows, from real-time upscaling to intelligent content creation. Blackwell GPU dominance paired with the RTX 5070T, this build taps into NVIDIA's latest Blackwell architecture, bringing a massive leap in graphical fidelity and AI-powered performance. With DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation, expect ultra-smooth gameplay even in the most demanding AAA titles. CORS AIR 2. From 144op ultra settings to immersive 4K gaming. The RTX 5070T ensures stunning visuals with advanced ray tracing, enhanced tensor cores, and next-general rendering technologies. Compact yet powerful, Mini ITX design this build redefines what a small PC can do. The Mini ITX form factor delivers space-saving footprint, perfect for desks, studios, or minimalist setups, premium airflow engineering, optimized cooling with high-performance fans or compact AIO liquid coolers, clean cable management, efficient layout for both aesthetics and thermals. Despite its size, the system maintains excellent thermal performance, ensuring stable operation under heavy gaming or productivity loads. High-speed memory and storage equipped with cutting-edge DDR5 RAM, up to 7,200 MHz supported. This system ensures lightning-fast multitasking and minimal latency. Tech Spot 1. Paired with PCIe Gen 5 NVMe SSDs, you get near-instant load times, rapid file transfers, and seamless system responsiveness, perfect for gaming libraries, creative projects, and heavy workloads. Silent efficiency and smart cooling. Mini ITX doesn't mean compromise. With advanced cooling solutions, low noise, high static pressure fans, compact liquid cooling options, intelligent thermal control, this build stays cool and quiet, even under pressure, making it ideal for both gaming marathons and professional environments. That you don't need a massive tower to achieve elite performance. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a creator, or a tech enthusiast, this compact powerhouse delivers everything you need, without compromise. Small size, massive power, true 70K plus, 5 key things to know. PC World.